$300 worth of full-size products, plus samples, plus that gorgeous purple tote, all for $99. It does not get much better than that. And here's the best part, there is absolutely no catch. You can simply get this kit for the fabulous products at the great savings, some of my all-time favorite colors to use, and never do another thing with it. Just use it for your own personal use. Or if you choose, you can use it to start a side business. You could make a little extra income, or you could potentially make a lot of extra income. It's completely up to you. We do get paid 3 hours after every order, which I absolutely love about this company, and you can't beat the quality of products. If you have any questions at all, definitely let me know. There is never any pressure, but I'm always happy to help. Have a great day, ladies.